The first year of your franchise is very critical when it comes to financial focus. It's the year when you're figuring out a lot of things, especially if you're not especially if you are a brand new franchisee, you're getting into the operations, you're understanding the flow of the business, because sometimes, depending on the franchise, you do get training on the operations side. However, hands-on tends to be a bit different, right? So you're diving into so many areas, and it is easy to lose focus on the financial side of your franchise. So what are some of the things you need to be focused on in your first year when it comes to the financial side of things of your franchise? It is very, 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 I can never stress it enough, important to be focusing on the financial side. Number one, you do want to be keeping an eye on your performance, financial performance. How do you do that? You got to have that system in place where you're able to view key reports. So when it comes to financial performance, you do want to be looking at your income statement or your profit and loss statement. They have different terminologies, the same thing basically. So you want to be looking at those reports. What are your sales, your costs, your expenses? Are you making a profit? What exactly is happening in terms of your financial performance? And why is it important to be looking at that on a monthly basis? Definitely, that year can go by so fast, and and then if you're not keeping your eyes on those financial performance numbers, then you are at the end of 6 months and you realize, oh, we should have been more efficient. We should have cut this cost already, cut this expense already. So it is important to be looking at financial performance, and your financial performance encompasses so many areas of your operations. Labor, how are they performing? Are you paying too much for labor costs? It's going to look at the sales, helping you to build a database, a history of understanding the cycles in your business. One full year, you're able to see, okay, the first quarter is usually like this, the second quarter. So you're building, that database for understanding trends and seasons and cycles. So financial performance is very important in that first year. Another thing you want to be looking at is your cash flow, of course. So when it comes to your cash flow, you need to be looking at your cash flow forecast. You need to be looking ahead to see, what do I need in the next 2-3 months in terms of cash? What am I expected to get in, so that you are able to keep a track of your cash flow performance, your cash flow forecast, and you're able to know ahead what your finances, what your cash flow will be looking like. What are your needs, where you might fall short? So again, building out your cash flow forecast in that first year is very, very, very important. So the financial focus in the first year of operations of your franchise is very important. Keep your eyes on the financial performance, and also another thing I'll throw in is the importance of building out processes and systems in your first year. And every decision, everything in your business is an impact on your cash flow. Every decision, every process, it might seem minuscule or insignificant. However, whatever you're doing in your business, the system, the process, it will go back to impacting your cash flow. So in that first year, it also is important to find out that process that is efficient. So you might say, okay, I am gonna be, the day when you get your orders in, right? For example, if you're in the restaurant business, and this is the day when you're ordering, and you might realize this might not be the best day, and you have to change things like that. You have to be keeping an eye on so many things when it comes to financial performance, inventory, not ordering too much, not ordering too little. So it's that year to really set the foundation for so many things in your franchise. So if you are in the first year of your franchise, it's an exciting time. congrats on that. And for sure, keep that financial focus. Keep your eyes on the financial performance, all the various areas that fall under the umbrella of financial performance. Keep your eyes on the cash flow. Start building out your processes, your systems. They will set the foundation in your franchise, especially as you grow to different locations, multi-unit, and just building that solid foundation for your franchise from day one. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me directly, send a message, text, whatever works for you, email, and also remember to share and repost this video. We are a community and it is important to be, mindful of others and share with others. That's so important. And share where you're joining in from. It's always exciting to hear persons from other countries too. So signing off in 3, 2, 1. Bye, everyone.